How to fix laptop screen flickering in Windows 11. First, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Check whether Task Manager is also flickering. If it flickers, the problem is likely related to your display driver. If Task Manager doesn't flicker, an incompatible app could be causing the issue. Right-click the Start button, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver. If the problem started after a recent driver update, right-click the graphics device, select Properties, open the Driver tab, and choose Roll Back Driver if the option is available. PC will automatically reinstall the new driver. These methods can help fix screen flickering, flashing, and display problems in Windows 11. If this video helped you, please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials.